Hello everybody, it's Monday, April 20th, 2020, and we're gonna take Holley out of storage. So Holley is a 59 Ford Fairlane, and she's been in my family since brand new. My great-grandpa Clifford Johnson bought Holley brand new in Halleck, Minnesota in 1959 or sometime thereabouts. So there she is. Jack is my assistant today. Say hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack.
And there's Holley. She has wintered nicely. And Jack and I just put the battery on the charger. There's the 223 cubic inch mileage maker 6 engine. And yeah, it's starting to rain again. We just took off the air filter and we put a little bit of gasoline down the carburetor to kind of prime the pump. And now we're gonna do our cold start, first start in probably 8 months. So Jack's gonna take over the filming duties. How many starts will it take, Jack?
2.
2 starts?
Make sure to honk
Okay,
the horn.
I'm gonna say 1. I'm gonna say it's gonna start on the first try. I always have the visors tilted down, and then I have dryer sheets in to keep the mice away. And you don't want to have your visors up for the storage, because it serves as a shelf for the mice, and then they live there and eat through your headliner. Ask me how I know. All right, so Jack, show everybody the dashboard here. I'm going to pull the choke, and then I have the clutch pushed in, and we're gonna see if we got any dash lights. We got dash lights, and now we'll see who's right. I say it's gonna start the first time. Jack says second time. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna pump the gas a little bit here too. Okay, will it start? First time. There's the oil light while she starts pumping a little oil. Jack wants to hear the horn. We have a non-original horn on Holley. We named it Holley because it has a Holley 1-barrel carburetor. All right, press the horn ring there, Jack, and see if you can get the horn going. Yes, we have an Ayuga horn. Why don't you open the back door and show them the seats, Jack?
I don't think they can see it.